Introduction to Paddle Subscription Management Issues. Paddle is a popular platform for managing subscriptions, and it offers a range of tools to help businesses handle their recurring revenue streams. However, like any other system, it is not immune to issues that can affect the smooth operation of subscription management. In this guide, we will explore common issues with Paddle subscription management and provide practical solutions to help you overcome them. Understanding common issues. One of the most common issues with Paddle subscription management is incorrect billing information. This can occur when customers enter incorrect details or when the system fails to update the information in a timely manner. Another issue is subscription misalignment, where the subscription period and billing cycle are not properly synchronized. This can lead to unexpected charges or delayed payments. Identifying and resolving issues. To identify issues with your Paddle subscription management, it is essential to monitor your subscription metrics regularly. Look out for unusual patterns or discrepancies in your revenue streams. Once you have identified an issue, you can take corrective action to resolve it. For example, if you notice that a customer's billing information is incorrect, you can update the details manually or send a notification to the customer to update their information. Best practices for preventing issues. To prevent issues with your Paddle subscription management, it is crucial to implement best practices. First, ensure that your customers enter accurate billing information during the sign-up process. You can achieve this by implementing a robust verification process that checks for errors and inconsistencies. Second, regularly review and update your subscription settings to ensure that they are aligned with your business needs. Finally, set up notifications to alert you to any issues or discrepancies in your subscription metrics. Conclusion. In conclusion, common issues with Paddle subscription management can have a significant impact on your business revenue streams. By understanding the common issues, identifying and resolving them promptly, and implementing best practices, you can minimize the risk of errors and ensure a smooth subscription management process. Regular monitoring and review of your subscription metrics are key to preventing issues and optimizing your Paddle subscription management. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a seamless and efficient subscription management experience for your customers.